Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to another one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be covering the top 3 altcoins to buy right now. We're going to be covering the crypto hack slash glitch that we saw going on pretty much in the market where people thought they were becoming trillionaires and billionaires, but it was all a glitch, guys. So we're going to be covering that as well. As we can see here, the market recovering slightly. In the past 24 hours, we're up about 2%. Our top gainer in the past 24 hours is going to be IODEX, which is up about 25%, trading at 17 cents. We have our highest volume here at Bitcoin at 31.4 billion. Ethereum coming at the number 2 spot at 20.7 billion. Bitcoin and Ethereum both up about 2%, 2.5% or so. Bitcoin at 48,000, Ethereum at around $3,800 right now per coin. We see altcoins are up about a few percent, 5%, 10%, depending on which one we're looking at. The big winners here, Avalanche over 17%. Dogecoin obviously 14 cents. We'll cover Dogecoin more towards the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. I know I get a lot of hate for dissing Doge, but there's some good news, guys, here with Doge, actually. So that's going to be a positive thing. We saw Polygon up 9%, and many of these other altcoins are up 5 to 10% or even higher, depending on which one we're looking at. So things are kind of shifting right now, and we're getting a little bit of a green momentum going on in the market, guys. So if you guys enjoy this type of content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you currently buying. So first of all, let's cover that glitch that happened. So people thought they were becoming millionaires because they saw that pretty much their accounts were worth millions and millions, and pretty much what happened is there was a glitch in the markets, pretty much. So what happened is here, prices of cryptocurrencies listed on Coinbase and popular data providers, coinmarketcap.com, briefly went haywire on Tuesday, with many tokens showing astronomical gains that sent users gushing about, huge windfalls, and other wondered what happened. Basically, what happened is there was a slight glitch going on where, the markets were pretty much saying that you were rich, and the real actual problem was it wasn't. So everyone tunes into these, those disruptions so that, to the extent they all use the same data source. And so when there's a problem and prices are really off, that can, create herd behavior to drive investment decisions. So some people thought that they were becoming millionaires. They wanted to sell, get out of the coins pretty much actually, and take their money out and pretty much cash out. That does not work. That does not work because it was a glitch. So basically nothing happened. Nobody, got rich overnight or anything crazy like that. But that just shows you that there's a lot of crazy things that can happen in the world, and you might become, you might think you're a millionaire, and the next thing you know, it all goes away because it was just a glitch. And these things have happened in the past as well, so nothing new, but something to keep us entertained, guys. So let's get into our first altcoin. The first altcoin on this list is going to be Cosmos, Atom. So Atom here in the past 24 hours is up about 1%, trading at $21.78. In the past week, we're down 10%. Past month, this one is down about 31%. And then on the 1 year chart, we're up about 311%. We saw highs here in September at $44, almost $45. From that range, we're actually down about 50%. So we took a huge price cut. We went from a 10 billion market cap coin to about a 5 billion market cap coin right now. This coin was trading at $5.50 last December. We hit highs here in February, continue to hit new highs in April and May, and then obviously the market pulled back down with the rest of the market as everything kind of pulled back down over the summer or beginning of summer. It went down to about lows of $9 and then the highs of $40 here in September. So about a 300% opportunity there from the low to the top if you would have got in early on Cosmos. So right now we're on a downtrend, but we're still trading at prices that we were trading at pretty much in September. We had a huge run up happening here in the fall. So market cap currently right under 5 billion, like we said. Volume is down 17% lower than usual at 333 million. We see our typical hold time 37 days, 67% buy activity, 33% sell activity, and currently it is ranked at number 25 coin on the list by ranking. Now, Cosmos is a cryptocurrency that powers an ecosystem of blockchains designed to scale and interoperate with each other. The team aims to create an internet of blockchains, a network of blockchains able to communicate with each other in a decentralized way. Cosmos is a proof of stake chain. Atom holders can stake their tokens in order to maintain a network and receive more Atom as a reward, obviously. A lot of people are into that, so the main idea of Cosmos is to allow for faster and cheaper decentralized applications, anything from an NFT marketplace to decentralized exchanges, by allowing them to run on their own dedicated blockchains. So all of these independent blockchains are interconnected by the Inter Blockchain Communication Protocol, or IBC. Cosmos also provides developers with pre-built modules that allowed them to quickly create blockchains that are completely customizable for their specific use case. Now, the Cosmos Consensus Engine IBC protocol and software developer kit are designed to enable ease of use and interoperability between chains while maintaining the security and transaction cost and speed developers would expect from a other lending blockchain platform. So that is definitely an interesting thing right there. And another huge thing is obviously the staking part. A lot of people like to stake if they're long-term holders and believe in the coin for the long term. They might as well just stake it and get some returns, pretty much as passive income on the coin. So Atom is going to be our first coin. Now we're going to take a quick look at the crypto bubbles before we get into the second coin. So crypto bubbles, we're seeing some green here, and we're actually seeing some big green. So BiFi right here is up about 259%. We have any swap, which is up about 115% or so, and a lot more green here. Near protocol, which is one we talked about recently, 42% higher, and many other green ones as well. So looking a lot nicer compared to where we were just a few days ago, obviously in the market. So this is what everything is going on, in the past week or so. Then our second altcoin is going to be Polygon, also known as MATIC, one of the more greener coins that we've talked about in the past. This one is up 9% here in the past 24 hours, trading at $2.01, just over $2. In the past week, we're down 14%. Past month, we're up 16% from highs of 258 actually that we saw right there. Previous highs that we saw here in May, obviously close to $2.68 or so. We almost broke through those here at the beginning of December, but then the market pulled back down slightly. But we are on an upward trend, and we potentially could be on a dip here and potentially another breakthrough to break through those potential all-time highs and continue that rally. So we see that last year this coin was trading at around 2 cents almost, and now we're up 10,000% on this coin with those highs throughout the year, and lows obviously all the way down to about 69 cents, coming back up here again, over a 200 to 300% gain depending on how you look at it. Current market cap is going to be at around 14.2 billion. We see volume is flat at around 2.6 billion. We have typical hold time is going to be 67 days. It is ranked the number 11 coin on the list. 72% buy activity and 28% sell activity currently on Polygon. For those of you who aren't familiar with Polygon, it's an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network, a scaling solution for Ethereum. Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on Ethereum using layer 2 sidechains, which are blockchains that run alongside the Ethereum main chain. Now, users can deposit Ethereum tokens to a Polygon smart contract, interact with them within Polygon, and then later they can withdraw those back to their Ethereum main chain. Obviously, the MATIC token is used to pay transaction fees and participate in a proof of stake consensus. So this is one of those greener coins that we talked about, especially here in May and April, when people were trying to get when Elon Musk said he wasn't accepting Bitcoin anymore for the Teslas. People started to get into these more greener, renewable, more friendly, eco-friendly, I guess you could say, coins, mining wise. And Polygon was one of those coins. So I think that this one has a good potential for the future to continue to grow. So Polygon coming at the number 2 spot. And then last but not least, number 3 is going to be Cardano, also known as ADA. So the reason this one is on our list is because it's taken such a massive hit that I believe that, it's going to be a great opportunity for the future. So right now, in the past 24 hours, we're up almost 3%, trading at $1.25. In the past week, we're down 9%. Past month, 38%. And here on the 1-year chart, we're up 711%. We hit highs here in September. September 1st, we were actually at $3.10. So from that $3 range, we have cut down over 50%, because 50% would be close to about $1.55. We're down even lower than that. So about a 55 to 60% loss from the top here in September. This could be a great opportunity to buy. Obviously, we saw here in July when the rest of the market pulled back down, the low was around $1. So if this bounces off this $1 range, we could come back up higher. If it goes below $1, that's when we start to get, worried, because that was pretty much the support level that we saw here throughout, the beginning of the year. If it goes lower than that, we might go to 80 cents or even lower possibly. Now, in the past year, it is up 711%, which is nice. Market cap 41.7 billion. We were close to 100 billion market cap at one point, and it was actually fighting up there with Binance Coin and Solana, I believe, for the number 3 spot. Now, the market cap is falling lower. Volume is flat at 1.7 billion. Typical hold time is going to be 71 days. It is ranked the number 5 coin right now, right behind Binance Coin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Solana. We have trading activity, 72% buy activity, 28% sell activity. Cardano is a blockchain platform built on a proof of a stake consensus protocol that validates transactions without high energy costs. Now, development on Cardano uses the Haskell programming language, which is described as enabling Cardano to pursue evidence-based development for unparalleled securities and stability. So this coin, obviously, I think is going to continue to go higher and higher in the years to come. We just have a little bit of negative data right around it right now, and it's causing it to make a little bit of a pullback. But I believe in the future this will come back and recover to continue to go on higher. So ADA is going to be our third coin, guys, on that list. Now let's take a quick look at the rest of the market. Solana trading at around $161, guys, up about 5.5%. Then we have the Dogecoin. A lot of you guys are defending Doge when I talk trash about it. So let's give it some positive information here. Pretty much what happened here on actually Tuesday, I believe, Tuesday morning, Elon Musk pretty much tweeted out that Tesla would be accepting Dogecoin for merch. I believe they said for merch, and that caused Dogecoin to go from 16 cents all the way up to highs of about 23 cents. So about a $7 gain or 7 cents gain right there, which is insane. Close to about 40% or so, a 40% pop just on that news, which is just insane. The power of Elon Musk right there. Obviously, we came back down to about 18 cents at the end of the day, but that is a positive news. Obviously, that's one of the most positive things that's happened in recent times to Doge right now. Almost 24 billion market cap on Dogecoin. So very nice to see good things happening with that one. I know a lot of you guys follow Doge. Then we have Bitcoin, guys. So Bitcoin here is up about 2.5%, trading at around 48,000. In the past week, this one is down 4.5%. Past month, we're down 26%. And then on the 1 year chart, we're up 150%. So this coin continues to go lower and lower here from highs of 69,000. We're down about $20,000 from the all-time high area. We're hoping for a bounce here, but obviously now we're on Wednesday we have Jay Powell talking in the Fed meeting, so we're gonna be seeing what's gonna that cause towards the market. How is the market gonna get affected? Stock market and crypto market both, obviously. If we get negative data or positive data, depending on what happens. So currently 911 billion market cap, 33% of the crypto market space. Trading activity, 72% buy activity, 28% sell activity on Bitcoin. Ethereum's up 2% as well, trading at around 3,800. In the past week, we're down 10%. Past month, 16%. And then on the 1 year chart, obviously, we're up 554%. So we talked about if Ethereum went under 4,000, could be a great opportunity to buy the dip. Then we talked about potentially if it went under 3,700, that would be an even better opportunity. And that's exactly what happened, actually. Ethereum bounced off of around 3,660 right there, close to 3,700. And now we're around 3,800, almost 3,900. So it is bouncing back a little bit, which is a positive sign. Anything lower than this, in my opinion, is a good opportunity to buy for the future. Right now, 457.3 billion market cap, 17% of the crypto market space. We see volume is pretty much flat at 20.6 billion, 76% buy activity, 24% sell activity on Ethereum. But we're hoping for a comeback here with Bitcoin and Ethereum going into the end of 2021. Can we get that, Santa rally going on to the end of the year? It will be a really nice thing, kind of like a Christmas present for all of us. So you guys let me know in the comments below. What do you think is going to happen in the crypto market in the days to come to end of 2021? As always, guys, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. As always, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor. Do your own due diligence and make sure you understand what you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.